Today we will review about Tripp Lite portable air conditioner for server racks and spot cooling. Small portable air conditioner. This rolling, self-contained, compact, portable AC unit cools small network closets and back offices where other cooling solutions don't fit. This room air conditioner can also be used as a personal air conditioner for residential applications. Self-contained design with simple installation, this air conditioning unit has no plumbing or special circuits, and a built-in evaporator means there is no need to empty water collection tanks. The unit also dehumidifies and filters the air, and 100% duty cycle keeps your environment constantly cool with no downtime. Optional remote management for monitoring and control. Install the optional CircleNet network module to this space cooler to monitor temperatures, receive alerts, review logs, and control settings from anywhere, anytime. Two-year warranty and free tech support. This indoor air conditioner is covered by a 2-year limited warranty, and all Tripp Lite products are supported by free Chicago-based tech support in the event of any issues.